What's up everybody, welcome back to another honest review. Today's spotlight is on the handy cordless vacuum cleaner S0103, a machine built to be light, powerful and easy to live with. After weeks of use, it's clear this one isn't just another cordless vacuum. It takes on real cleaning frustrations, like dust hiding under furniture, hair that usually tangles rollers, and corners that often get ignored. Let's break it down, but before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, at the beginning, let me go through some quick context. This brand, Candy, has been around from 1945. Born in Italy with a focus on making everyday life simpler. From large appliances to compact tools, their designs mix practicality with a touch of style. The Candy cordless vacuum fits right into that story. Easy to use, modern in feel, and created to remove the effort from daily cleaning. Well, Candy cordless vacuum cleaner makes life easier, and that ease begins with weight. At just 4.8 pounds as a stick and 2.8 pounds as a handheld, this vacuum is built to move. Think of gliding it upstairs or lifting it overhead without strain. But light doesn't mean weak. Turbo suction drives through dust and everyday debris on both hard floors and rugs. The balance of power and portability makes it as practical for a full clean as it is for a quick pickup. And quick pickups stay quick thanks to one clever detail: anti-twist technology. Hair rubbed around rollers slows everything down. This vacuum fixes that with a V-shaped brush and a built-in wiper that guides strands straight into the dustbin. No more cutting, no more unclogging, no more lost suction. It's one of those features that feels small until it saves minutes every single time, keeping the cleaning flow smooth and frustration-free. Smooth flow also matters under furniture. Dust hides in places normal vacuums can't reach. This cordless vacuum bends flat at 180 degrees, swivels 150 degrees, and slides under sofas, beds, and cabinets with ease. When something is in the way, the parking design lets the unit pause upright until the space is clear. Corners, edges, and low spaces are finally within reach, giving every room the kind of coverage that usually takes twice the effort. Well, coverage is one thing, adaptability is another. This Candy cordless vacuum works in three ways. In stick mode, it handles wide floors with steady suction. Switch to handheld mode and shelves, stairs or sofas become easy targets. For crumbs and small spills, desktop mode turns it into a quick spot cleaner. One tool replaces three separate machines, keeping the whole home covered. On a single charge, handheld mode delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime. When a tougher mess needs attention, turbo mode kicks in for 12 minutes of focused power. Light, flexible, and built for different roles. The S0103 adapts to whatever the day demands. And you know what? While it cleans the floor, it also cleans the air. Have you heard about anything like this before? Well, it's really a great feature. This vacuum carries a 6-stage HEPA filtration system that traps 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Fine dust, dander, and pollen stay locked inside instead of floating back out. The result is more than tidy floors. It's a fresher environment throughout the home. cleaner surfaces, cleaner air, and a space that feels lighter once the job is done. That freshness carries over to the vacuum itself. The brush, filters, battery, and dustbin all remove easily for rinsing. The HEPA filter lasts more than 2 years, and the double-layer sponge holds up through repeated washes. Nothing about maintenance feels heavy or complicated. Everything is simple, direct, and reusable. It's the kind of design that stretches value while keeping the vacuum ready for its next run. And that's the story. The Candy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner S0103 is light, adaptable, and powerful enough to handle everyday cleaning without slowing down. It tackles tangles, reaches hidden dust, runs long enough for real sessions, and stays easy to maintain. Okay, I know it may sound like an advertisement pitch, but think from a different angle. I'm so excited because it performs. Because I'm satisfied with the performance of this Candy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. I have tried many, and finally this cordless vacuum cleaner is the one that I like. Well, I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this product. But as usual, it's not an affiliate link. If you want to get this one, if you want to buy this one, you can buy it from anywhere. I've just left a link to let you know where did I get it from. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.